Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Luscious bar. I know I've not done a video in a very long time and I'm happy to be back. Today I am unboxing the products that I received in my GlossyBox beauty subscription, and the theme for this month is Blossom because it is spring. This is the pamphlet that I received in the box, and it's very convenient because it has all of the products that's in my box as well as a brief description. Spring is finally here, and we're celebrating this season of change by breathing new life into your beauty routine. Filled with 5 awakening and nourishing products, our Blossom Edit includes all of the essentials you need to bloom into a beautiful flower this April. What's convenient about this pamphlet is that it shows you the name of each product, the Instagram and other social media handles, and then it also gives you a sneak peek for the next box the following month. So it's actually very nice to know what I can look forward to into May's next box. So that is the pamphlet. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the products that I received in my box. Okay, so the very first product that I received is this nail polish, and the polish is called Blossom Kisses. This is from Nails Inc., and this is actually the polish that I'm wearing on my nails right now, and I really love the color of this nail polish. It looks natural, it looks like spring. The bottle is very aesthetically pleasing. It's a very nice polish. I'm no stranger to Nails Inc. So let's see what the pamphlet says. It says, welcome in the spring with this soft pink nail polish, a delicate pastel hue with cool undertones. It's the perfect on-trend hue for this new season. Better yet, its formula lasts up to 10 days, and its wide brush makes it really easy to achieve a professional looking manicure. So the registered retail price for this product is £11, and you can actually shop directly for these products on the website. As you can see on my nails, like I used an LED light to actually dry my nails, and they are not chipping. These nails are actually almost a week old. I've had no chipping, I've had no scratches. So I love this polish. Now, this is the next product that I received in my box. This is a moisturizing lip balm in the scent of coconut from Sport FX. This is the first time that I've actually heard about this particular brand, so I'm very new to their products, and I'm glad I got to discover their products in this box. These lip balms are not only bursting with shea butter, natural oils, and vitamins, but are infused with SPF 15 to protect, hydrate, and nourish your pout. Better yet, whether you receive the moisturizing coconut scent or the sumptuous raspberry and rubber fragrance, your balm will smell good enough to eat. Simply apply as required to achieve soft, silky lips. And as you can see on my hand there, me doing a little quick swatch test, you can see that it's very moisturizing. It doesn't look overly shiny or greasy or anything like that. And the registered retail price for this product is £4.99. So this is the third product that I received in my box, and this is the Ritual of Secure Shower Scrub, and it has a lovely cherry blossom scent. It's really amazing. In Japan, the annual flowering of Sakura has been celebrated for centuries and symbolizes the beauty of life. Make each day feel like a new beginning. So the pamphlet says, boasting a gorgeous cherry blossom scent, this 2-in-1 cleansing and exfoliating scrub is a treat for your body and your senses. Its luscious formula blends volcanic scrub particles with nourishing rice milk to leave skin feeling soft and supple. Once a week, massage it onto the damp skin using circular motions until it transforms into a soft shower cream, then wash off. So the registered retail price for this is £9.90, and you can shop for this directly on the website from rituals.com. So let's go ahead and see what the texture looks like. Just gonna put some on the back of my wrist. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, look at that. Okay, so immediately I can smell the cherry blossom scent. It smells divine, and I'm just gonna rub this in on the back of my palm, and as you can see, it is actually turning into that little creamy white consistency mentioned here in the pamphlet, and it does have some beads or some kind of exfoliant in there, so it smells amazing. I really love the products from Rituals. Okay, so the next product that I received is this Hask Blue Chamomile and Argan Oil Deep Conditioner. Now, I will say that it does say Blonde Care Deep Conditioner. There's nothing blonde about me, so I'm not sure why I was sent this particular product, but it has argan oil and it's a deep conditioner. It says, let your hair blossom with new life thanks to these deeply conditioning treatments. Whichever conditioner you receive, you can be sure that it's full of natural goodness that will infuse your hair cuticles with hydration for nourished, shiny tresses. So the registered retail price for this is £2.49. I have seen this on Instagram before. I've never tried any of their products, but it does have argan oil. I like argan oil, so I'm fine with that selection. Now, I have saved the best product in this box for last. This is the Avant Skincare Gentle Rose Beautifying Facial Exfoliant that has rose, papaya, vitamin B5, proline, alanine, and papaya. This exfoliator's luscious formula and relaxing scent will smooth your skin and soothe your mind. It harnesses the many benefits of hydrating and antioxidant-rich rose extract, as well as softening and smoothing vitamin B5. Together, these ingredients calm irritations, improve the appearance of wrinkles, and deeply hydrate your complexion. Now, I have never heard of this product before. I'm very excited to try it. As you can see, I am just opening this for the first time. So I am quickly going to show you the texture and swatch this on the back of my hand so that you can see exactly how it looks like. Now, this is an exfoliant, so it does have some exfoliating particles in there, and the smell, oh my gosh, this smells so amazing. Look at that beautiful texture. That is beautiful. It almost is as similar to the Rituals that I did on my hand earlier, but it feels really nice. It's very fine, so it's nothing sticky, or it's like the fine ones that can sometimes get into your eyes or anything like that. But this smells so amazing. The registered retail price for this is £92, so I am excited that I am actually trying a £92 product on my skin. I've never heard of them before, and I did do some research online, and they have expensive products. So let's do a quick recap of all of the products that I received. This is the Avant Exfoliating, the Rituals Exfoliating Shower Scrub. I have the Nails Ink Polish, the Hask Deep Conditioner, and as well as the Coconut Balm from Sport FX. So that is basically it for my GlossyBox unboxing, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. More to come. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.